First Alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Doppler Dave Oliver.
Good afternoon, friends. The sky is turning active again. This is a live shot from our sky tracker up around Guyman. Looking off to the east, we have a severe thunderstorm out that way. It's a first alert night for some of us. The north and eastern parts of the area, severe storms are possible over the next few hours. Now, overall, it's a warm day. Temperatures near 90 and even some mid-90s down around Childress, some 80s up to the north. The wind, though, is either out of the southwest if you're in the western part of the area, or southeast if you're living in the east. And that's really impacting the moisture supply. Notice this boundary right here. We go from dry air to moist air. That's what we call the dry line, and that's setting up right now. And off to the east and north of that, that's where we have the potential for some strong thunderstorms. In fact, we do have a tornado watch that's in effect. A moderate risk for severe weather. Here's the tornado watch area in the yellow, and that goes until 10 p.m. Severe thunderstorm warning up in the Oklahoma Panhandle. Just the storm we just looked at there from Guyman. This line right here, that's the dry line boundary showing up very apparently on Doppler radar here. Nothing really off across the Texas Panhandle, but we pick up some moderate thunderstorms around Boise City and Kenton. And then also, as we take a look, there's the severe storm east of Guyman, nearing Liberal also as it pushes off to the east and northeast. Some quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds are possible.
Golf balls,
Hooker is taking golf balls? Okay. So in Hooker, right about in here, that's where we have golf ball-size hail being reported at this time. So again, that's one of the high risks that we have across the area tonight is going to be large hail. Some of the storms might rotate and give us some tornadic activity. We haven't seen that yet. But once again, we are looking at golf ball hail between Guyman and Liberal, especially around Hooker. Now, as we put a timeline on this, it's about 4 o'clock at about 5 and 6. That's when we'll have the most activity, kind of concentrated in the Oklahoma Panhandle down into Lipscomb County. We got Sheldon and Tanner. And Caleb, our weather atlas, is headed into that area, so we'll be able to get some eyes out there and see it. Kevin and I will be tracking things on radar, but I really think it's going to be out of here pretty quickly. Say by 8 p.m. or so, we should be smooth sailing for the rest of the night. Once again, though, if you're in the north and the east, we're watching out for these severe weather threats on this first alert night. We'll keep you posted. See you at 5.